Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm back after a while. So, a lot of things have happened. If you can't tell, I'm in a completely different place, so there's that. So that's a big part of the reason why I haven't done anything. But today we have the Mustang, and we have some transmission fluid. I looked all over the internet for a video on this stuff, because I couldn't find the drain plug, but I found it. But I couldn't find a single video on the internet of this, so I might as well do it. It's pretty simple. So what you need is 2.5 or 2.8 quarts exactly of the synchro mesh. I don't even know. I've never even heard of it. I've never changed transmission fluid. And then you want one of these things, because this is going to make your life a hell of a lot easier when you're putting that in. You'll see later on in the video. And then you're going to need a drain pan. Can't speak. But yeah, these are what you're going to need. We're going to get started on that. I already have the car jacked up. As you can see, she's already jacked up. And we're going to get started on this. If you have a T5 trans, this will work for you. Dude, it looks so off-center, but it's really not. It's just because that wheel is so... I don't know. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna do that today. Oh yeah, the one thing I don't like about down here is, I don't know if you can see, but the car, literally, that's just driving it once, and it gets that dirty. All right, so this is a lot tighter of a squeeze than I thought about filming, so please bear with me. So up there is your fill plug. Here is the drain plug. It's right there. So it's like literally right in the middle of the transmission. It's right here on the passenger side. That's the drain plug, and you saw the fill plug. It's literally above it. It's just so hard to get angles down here. So I would warn you, because if you, what's it called? When you drain this, it's gonna leak all over your exhaust. So I would put a trash bag over it or something, and obviously wait till the car is cooled down. So number one, you're not like gonna burn yourself on anything or have boiling hot fluid coming out at you. So just get a trash bag, cover up your exhaust, and then drain the car that way. I'm gonna drain the car. I'm not gonna film it because, like, you guys know. But right here, drain plug, unscrew that, drain it, screw it back in, and then unscrew the top one, which is literally right above it, about maybe 3.5 inches above the drain plug. You will find the fill plug, and that is why, if you can, as you can see now, this is why you want that that hose. So I'm gonna get this knocked out. Hopefully everything works out. All you need is literally just a wrench. You don't even need a socket, because it just fits right on there. So you're gonna want that, and then once you're good with that, it's just gonna drain. Mine's already done draining, but you're gonna want some thread locker, because this is the high strength one, and it'll withstand all the high temperatures as well. So you're gonna want that. So we're gonna put this back on, try and get to well, we are gonna have to get to the top filler hole. It's literally the same thing, same size. So, and clean this off with brake part cleaner too, once you have it out. So we're gonna put that in, get the other thing out, and then we're gonna get it all set up to put the fluid in there, and then I'll catch you guys up with everything. Alright, so as you saw in that last clip, I was draining the fluid out of the transmission. I got a bit sidetracked with everything, because just things happen. So I forgot to pick up the camera again, and record me filling up the fluid and everything and tightening everything up. But so I went through 2 full things of this, and then on the third one it stopped right around there, you can see. But the best way, oh, well, there goes that. Best way to know if it's filled is just keep pumping it, and if you look at the fill hole, you'll see fluids coming out, and that's when you know that you're full. But sometimes if you don't have the hose, so this thing, which I highly recommend you guys get, but you have to put that hose in all the way, or else when you're pumping the fluids, when I was going through the first bottle, I thought it was already full, but I just didn't have the line in all the way. So make sure you have the line in all the way, so you don't get a misreading or whatever. But yeah, the car is doing well. I've been driving it. It's 3 days later after that video. So yeah, the car's been doing good. The shifts actually feel a lot smoother. I can tell a little bit of a difference, but I don't think I found the issue that I was looking for, unfortunately. So we're gonna have to dive a little bit deeper, but I hope that clears up what I didn't fill you in on. I'm sorry about that, but I mean, it's pretty simple. You just unscrew the top plug. So yeah, all you have to do is just unscrew that top plug with this kind of ratchet. I think it's not a half. I don't know. I think it's a quarter, maybe. So, and you don't need a socket or anything. You just stick that in the drain plug, and then unclip it, and then you're good. But when you put the thing back on, I would highly suggest that you clean it with some brake part cleaner, and then put some thread locker on there, because it's part of your transmission. You don't want that bolt coming loose and then all your fluids coming out. So I hope I filled in the blanks of what I did not record. I'm sorry about that, but it's just, I get sidetracked. So yeah, the car's been doing great. When I was underneath there, I found out that both my front ball joints are completely gone. My rear, both my upper and lower control arm bushings, all gone, because anytime I do a power slide, try and do a burnout or a launch, I get crazy wheel hop, so I know that those bushings are shot. So we got to do that. We got to get the bushings all sorted out, and then I know you guys noticed this cowl. It's all frigged up, but I'm waiting on a carbon fiber one. There's just none in stock right now. I don't want to get this, because this is like $170, or you could get a carbon fiber one for like $120 more, and it looks better. So I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna wait a little bit. I mean, it's not gonna hurt anything. I don't drive it in the rain anyways. So I hope I cleared up everything that I missed. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry for the crappy filming. I will do a lot better on the next one, I promise. It's just, I'm starting to get back in the swing of things, because I just moved out to a new place, and that's why I haven't been filming and whatnot. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video. A lot more videos to come. Just gonna wait on parts, and parts are gonna take a while, because where I live now, it's like in the middle of nowhere. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you learned something today, and as always, have a nice day.